Insurance agents think you're dumb. They think you're stupid. They look at you and they think you're a fool. Why is this? A lot of insurance agents will now proposition IULs because they think you're dumb. Yeah, they think you're dumb. They think you have no discipline. They think you have no self-control. And you can't invest your money yourself.
That's fine. You can invest the money that you would have otherwise put in a life insurance policy, but the average person doesn't do that.
No, they don't. I'm so glad you said.
Problem. The average person doesn't follow
that
those
principle.
steps, those principles.
Because think about it, right? How disciplined is the general public to really do that? So buy term, invest the difference.
And it was a sort of like a forced investment because a lot of people don't even invest the difference.
Spend it, yep.
And
so the insurance agency or the insurance company commissions all these insurance agents. They spend more time training them how to sell rather than how to actually know how these products work. If you ask them certain questions, they won't even know the answer to it. Moving forward, though, all the insurance company does with your premium is invest it into a index. You can do that on your own. You don't need the insurance company to do that for you. You don't need to put your money into an insurance policy so you can invest in the same products you could have done otherwise. All you need is that same discipline. I'm gonna be pay $416 a month into my insurance policy. Rather than do that, let me put $416 directly into the S&P 500. And this is not a recommendation. This is just a hypothetical example. But they think you're too dumb. And then they'll jump on top of you again and say, no, but you're gonna get taxed on that money. Yeah, sure, I'll get taxed. I'm holding this for the long term, the same way I'm holding my IUL for the long term. But guess what? I'm gonna get taxed at long-term capital gains tax. The dividends will be taxed at ordinary income, but still, you're still gonna net far better than you would putting your money through a middleman as the insurance company. Do you think, like, we really gotta break it down for a second. Do you think the insurance company is just out here saying, man, I really wanna help these people, so we're gonna create this product that's gonna be completely beneficial for them and do nothing for us? The point being is the insurance company is getting some kind of gain out of you buying this policy. The insurance agent, using insurance as your retirement, your education fund, your emergency fund savings, is giving himself a bigger commission at the end of the day. I heard these Mrs. and Mr. Wealth Nation, all respect to you guys, I like you guys, but I heard them say, listen, we would make a lot more money if we sold term.
He gets commission, so this is...
Commission on the term that you do on the infant banking policy design.
Yes.
Design infant banking policy.
If your policy is designed for high cash value, the agent is taking a 60% haircut. So when he's talking about this is commission-based, no, it's not. Darius and I take a significant reduction of our pay because we're giving you, the client, more of the money so that you can utilize. That's the difference.
We make a lot more if we sold term.
And if we just sold a traditional whole life policy.
That is the biggest cap I ever heard in my life. That is a blatant lie. The commissions on an IUL policy, especially when you're overfunding these things, especially when you're building them for cash value growth, the commission is far higher than a term policy. Do not be deceived. If you're paying less for term, how is their commission going to be higher? Maybe they're trying to be technical and put out a technicality that our commission on a term policy would be higher, but the amount that they're taking home is far greater than if they were selling a term policy. I have no, like I always say, I have no side I'm on. I have no side except the truth. The truth is plain and simple to see. That's what we need. A lot of these people who call themselves Christians on top of that. So every time you get information, take it in, look at all the facts, hear from people on different sides. That's a great way to get objective information. Go to somebody who's all for it. Go to someone who's completely against it. Now you take all the relevant information and you can make an informed decision. Rather than just getting in contact, because I'll show you some clips. There's a bunch of insurance agents coming into the insurance agency today, and all they're saying is, your 401k is trash, your Roth IRA is trash. Oh, let me show you this awesome unconventional product that is amazing and beautiful and has no downside. It sounds really good, and you could fall for the hype. But that's why you got me here. Someone who doesn't care. And when I say don't care, I mean I don't care about pleasing somebody except the consumer. Giving you the truth and giving it straight. There's no better way to live your life. I cannot but be honest with you. And that's all I'm gonna be. That's all I'll continue to be, the honest insurance guy. So God bless you all. Thank you all for tuning in. Like I always say, if you're looking for someone to help you with your insurance plan, get you started, tell you what you need, help you protect your family, reach out to me. God bless you all. Till next time. Take care.
I get angels so for my ghetto. Never forget where I come from, not from ghetto.